Child's pose. Child's pose is a classic yoga pose that is both nurturing and grounding. Practice this restorative child's pose variation on your bed. Come into a kneeling posture and then sit onto your heels. Take your knees wider than your hips. Bring 2 pillows lengthwise in front of you and then lower your torso over the stacked pillows. Finally, turn one ear down to the pillow and close your eyes. Hold for 2 to 4 minutes and make sure to switch ears about halfway through. As you settle into the posture, begin to deepen your breath. Breathe in through your nose and sigh out through your mouth. Why sigh? When you experience strong emotional states like anxiety, fear, or stress, your breathing pattern is disrupted and made shallower and shorter. Letting out a sigh, or many sighs, is like hitting the reset button and can shift your body and mind back to equilibrium. Supporting bridge pose. Supported bridge pose is one of the best yoga poses to do before bed for both office workers and those who spend most of their working day on their feet. Supported bridge pose helps re-establish the lumbar curve of your lower back and can help relieve lower back pain. It is also a wonderful counterpiece to child's pose. Before bed, it is best to keep your yoga poses more restorative and calming. So practice this supported version of bridge pose for ultimate relaxation. For this version of bridge pose, stack a couple of pillows or use a yoga block if you have one. Lie down on your back, bend your knees and bring your feet to about hip-width distance. Bring your feet pretty close to your bum. From here, press into your feet and lift your hips up off of your bed and slide a yoga block, or a pillow stack, underneath your sacrum. If you're using the pillows, it might be easier to sit on your stack of pillows and then lower yourself down into the yoga pose. Once you're in the posture, close your eyes and balance the lengths of your inhales and exhales. Try to slow your breath down. You may find it helpful to count the lengths of each inhale and exhale. Hold this posture for a few minutes. Supported bound angle pose. Subdue Konasana, or supine bound angle, opens up the chest, softens the belly, and relieves tension and tightness in the lower back, inner thighs and groin. For Subdue Konasana, stack your 2 pillows, turn them lengthwise and place them behind you. Make sure that your entire back and head are supported by the stack of pillows. Bend your knees, bring the soles of your feet to touch and allow your knees to drop out to the side like the pages of a book. Rest your arms by your side with the palms facing up. If you experience any pain or discomfort in your knees or hips, use a couple of extra pillows to support your thighs. Hold the posture for 5-8 minutes. Simple supine twist. One of our favorite yoga poses before bed is a simple supine twist. Yoga twists help improve digestion, create a supple spine, and when held for a few minutes stimulate our relaxation response. Lie down on your bed on your back. Give your knees a gentle hug in toward your chest and rock a little side to side. Afterward, extend your arms out to the side and release your knees to the right. If it feels okay for your neck, turn your gaze to the left. If the stretch feels too intense, place a pillow either under your knees or between your thighs. Remember, this posture should be relaxing and restorative, not a deep stretch. Rest here and work on lengthening your exhale breath. After 3 to 4 minutes, repeat on the other side. Leg up the wall pose. Legs up the wall pose is yet another yoga pose to do before bed. Dr. Wheel confirms that similar yoga poses may help relieve the following: stress and anxiety, menstrual and menopause symptoms, swelling, cramping and fatigue in legs and feet, and lower back pain. You can practice legs up the wall pose on your bed or on the floor. If you choose to practice on the floor, lay a blanket or yoga mat down where you will practice the pose. Wherever you choose to practice, you will want to come onto your side and move your bum as close to the wall as you can. Once your bum is touching the wall, roll onto your back and extend your legs up to the ceiling. Bonus, if you can, have someone place a heavy-ish book or small sandbag onto the soles of your feet. The extra weight helps ground the pelvis and therefore ground the posture. Close your eyes and rest for 5 minutes. Leg up the